Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just got through making a video on the quick trace, and it worked equally as well. And I was thinking, well, why wouldn't people use it more often? Well, here's a clip art that you wouldn't want to use it on, and I'll show you why. I'm going to make a duplicate of this clip art, so I'm going to Control D. I'm going to put it over here. On this one, I'm going to trace bitmap quick trace, and you think it works, but in this case it's not going to work if you want to engrave this black part. So we're going to ungroup everything and we take away the white, and see what happens is we don't have an outline anymore. Even when we click on it, we go no fill outline, we don't get the two parts. So this is doing just the opposite. We want those double lines in this clip art. So in here we're going to go to trace bitmap, outline trace, clip art, take just a second to trace it, hit OK. Your trace version will be on top. Move it over and you can see it's got, let me show you the clip art first of all, how fuzzy it is. So it would not engrave good, where this is good and clean. And then you can break it apart and then click off and take away the white. Now you have a good, cleanable, clear. Let's take away the fill and put an outline. So we have just lines. We have the double lines this time, and this is what you want in this case, because you're going to want to engrave just that, and then take away your hairline, and you have a good clean clip art. So this is a case where you would not want to use quick trace. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.